Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be working on this random code that we used here, and we use this math.random to give ourselves a random number, but today we're going to be refactoring this code, and by that I just mean rewriting using the random object instead. And what you can think of an object like is an object is it's sort of what you describe an object like in real life. So you have, let's say, a phone, and the phone has certain abilities and properties, right? So the phone could have like a color, might be its property, or its name would be a property, but its ability would be to call, receive calls, or text message. So in Java, those are called methods, and we're going to be using a method called nextInt on the object random, and that's going to give us an integer that's random. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some of this stuff. I'm going to leave rando here, but I'm going to delete this stuff. And right here above this, I'm going to declare a new random number generator. So we're going to, just like we created a data type of a string or a text view or a button, we started off with the name of that data type. We also start this off with the name of that type. So we're going to say random, and this is random, and then we give it a name, which we're going to call randgen. And so this randgen is going to be an instance of the random object class. And so we're going to say random randgen is equal to new random. And we finish this off with some parentheses and a semicolon. So what this is doing is it's constructing a new random number generator. And you'll notice we have some underlining here, and it says red, and it says import random. So we have to import this class. We click import, and we'll go up here to our imports, and you'll see we have Java utilities random. So we have that in here now. It's been imported, and now we want to use randgen, which is our new random object. So on randgen, we're going to be using the nextInt method, and you'll see it's even giving us a little code completion here, so we can go ahead and enter, and it's gonna get us that nice and perfect. And now if you'll notice here, we have to give this an argument, and the argument we're going to give it is a number. So by default, this is going to give us a number 0 through whatever you have here. Since we have 4 items, we're going to put 4. Keep in mind that this number will never show up. If we run random nextInt and then 4, it's never going to give us a 4. It's going to give us a 0, a 1, a 2, or a 3. So if you want it to give you a 4, have this be 5. However, if you want it to be 1 through 4, you can always add 1 to this. So we want this to be 0 through 3, or 0 through 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, so that we can get out of this array, and this should be perfect. So let's run our app and make sure we save it, and then let's click run here and make sure that it's functioning exactly like how we would expect. So let's press this button, and we should see Courtney, Scott, Courtney, Tim, Ben, and it looks like everybody's showing up, and it's all perfect. Cool, so we now have this random generator using our random object, and it's great. Well, what happens if you wanted to display some sort of random number itself on the screen? Well, we're going to tackle that in a quick video next time. So check out the next video if that interests you. If not, move on forward to the next one. As always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the video or hit us up at Twitter, Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching.